Good morning from the beautiful kingdom. I am now leaving this hotel, off to the next one. Mdura. Kugepila. Semanzini. Okay, this one is Ezulwini, and now we're going to Emantini. Besisetulwini. Now we're going to Emantini. Such a beautiful place. I love it here. Hey, but the car.
Hey, the Uber driver didn't have much time. Wow.
Let's go.
Why?
Pamela, why?
Why?
Good morning, good morning.
Sharp.
No mood, yeah.
Yeah, we are teaching. Someone is not Romanian. I said,
Hi. Ngiyaphila njani? Hlala ungibona kuphi? Ngoba mina if ungibona YouTube, it's good. Keep watching.
Guys.
And subscribe, don't just watch.
Oh, yes,
And tell everyone ukuthi nje subscribe. Thank you. I love this place, it's so beautiful. Hello darling, hello darling.
Hello, sweetie.
How are you? The light is so bad. It's
Yes,
trying
it
to ruin
is.
our video.
It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Hi. This is my twin people.
Meet my twin.
Yes.
We were just born in different countries, but we are twins.
Yes, we're twins.
We are twins. Don't judge our mom for being able to stretch it out to give
You
birth
know?
to us at the same time in different countries.
I
But
know.
we are twins.
Yes, we
You coming to the show?
I want to come to the show. I will force to come to the show.
You must come
I have
to the show.
come to the show.
You have to come to the show.
Yes.
I will see you.
All right.
I'll see you at the show.
At the show.
Yeah.
Yes.
If not, I'll see you when I come back, because I'll definitely be back. Thank you for your hospitality.
Thank
This is
you.
a very beautiful place. I'm going to tell everyone, if they come to Swaziland, come to Mfuleni.
Fulani lifestyle, yes.
Yes, Mfuleni. Where is
But
Mtua?
have you had a lovely night?
Oh, I had a lovely time. I love it here. The
But you
rooms are
haven't
beautiful.
eaten.
I don't eat.
You don't eat.
No. I'm trying to get my summer body. I get to 2 summer bodies are made in winter.
Ooh.
Uh-huh.
Okay, twin.
And the last time I was here, I had such a good meal. I might come back for it.
Please do.
I
Are you
will.
not coming back tonight?
No, not tonight.
Not tonight.
Yeah, because I'm going to stay where we have a show.
Yes, babe.
Oh, okay. Why are they stealing you away from us?
It's Banomon.
Yes.
Yes, Jaban. But lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet
I'll see you
too.
soon.
Thank you so much.
If I don't see you at the show, I'll see you again.
Okay.
I'll definitely be back.
You know my phone has serious thermal problem. It's better.
Just too excited. And then
I wish we had taken that moment.
the guy was just so excited. And I gave him a nice tip because he washed the car. It was like 1 a.m. This is Swaziland for you, my darlings.
I know that.
Who is spirit was a Swaziland? Samba nenkomo, netinkomo. Bayithanda kabi inkomo eSwazini. That's where I bought my pictures. Remember?
Yeah. I remember
Is
those
this
2
where we're
pictures.
gonna come back and buy?
Yes, this is an
Okay.
option that we can use. Even somewhere. Okay, but here they quite expensive because
It's for
tourists.
for tourists.
Yeah, here it's better, and then also in Babane.
In town.
In town, yeah. On the street.
If we go to town,
It's still the same quality.
It's same. At town they're selling for locals.
Yeah, but it's still the same quality.
Yeah. So guys, this is where we are performing tonight. This is where the fun is going to be. Happy Valley Casino and Hotel. I love Swaziland. Swaziland is just so beautiful. Hi. Yeah, I'll show you guys when we get inside. Oh, the South African flag is here. I was gonna complain.
Yeah.
We'll live for this thing.
Yes.
Why is it so dark? It's because Mdura was next to us, that's why. See, go move, all right. Hello from Happy Valley. This is where the fun's gonna be at tonight. So if you haven't bought your ticket, shame. And you must always remember ukuthi thina lama jokes siwenzela nina. Thina sinabantu bethu esihlekisana nabo. Inini nisingile ninganabo abantu enihlekisana nabo that must come to these shows. Nani nabantu beni kodwa banganihlekisi. Yeah. So umuhlekisana nomuntu ongahlekisi, make sure ukuthi you come to the show. Happy Valley, it's going to be happening tonight.
7 p.m.
Yep.
Thank you.
Good morning, good morning. Such a beautiful place.
Who's the employee of the month? What do you get for being an employee of the month?
Memories not all. Not good memories.
What happened when you were where?
2015, 1 April.
Wait, oh, come here. It's dark.
I promise you, this I must record.
Yes. So what happened?
So now, 2015, 1 April. Okay, before I continue, now I'm an award-winning comedian. I was sitting there with a couple of friends. It was a competition for comedy. We were 9. I was number 8. I was sitting right there. And I went over that side, came back here to cry after I lost. But tonight, I'm here with the best comedians that Sadak has to offer.
And you are still standing next to the same river.
I'm still standing next to the same river. I still can't swim. Yeah, it's that whoever I'm talking to. This is the first time the steak.
Ma'am, I'm very particular with my steaks though.
But these are lightish meals because there's going to be lunch not long from now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anything that's gonna.
Thank you.
Almost anything.
Looks like we're gonna have to have the burger because the other lady was recommending a burger as well.
Oh.
Traditional burger,
How's the chicken?
plate of chips.
Both of them are nice.
Shall we
It
share
comes
the
with-
chicken? Because it's a full chicken.
Which
Oh
one?
yeah, the Portuguese chicken. Yeah.
It's a full chicken.
it's fine.
Yeah. You are such a perfectionist.
It's gonna start in time, trust me.
This
I
crowd
promise
is
you.
very particular.
No, don't worry.
And you must-
eight.
And you must set set a standard.
Yeah. It's but
Futhi
ngisasho bona sibatomlaleli.
When I tell you it's such a crowd, since yesterday and today, Thenjiwe, where's Thenjiwe? I'm like, yeah, the show is tomorrow.
Wena noxolo bangani bethu nasibakhetha asikhethi noma ngangibani. Siyabuka, yabona. It's okay, Thenjiwe, okay. I'll think about it. Asisukeki nje.
Ngikhethe.
Yeah, asikhethi so bese sasi.
Yo, lo banguthi sishiya, I'm like, why would she be here? What would she be doing here?
Bevungathi nje sasenza.
Oh, I wanted to talk to you also. I want to.
So benzasho na noxolo sikhetha abangani bakho kumcoka What's bobani? Banani, bataksita ngani. Yabo.
Your friends in high places.
Such a books like I would want to listen.
I wish I was a man actually.
You share man. Ndalalela.
Bungche.
Khiphe kufaka amadevu ungene. Sibangene.
What's your sesiqodile noma?
And basazoyijaha le mfutho bayichuthe. Okay. I'll do the order because I'm in Dalala. Can we have the Portuguese chicken? What does it come with? What size? Do you have?
Portuguese chicken. Yeah, and especially because they have chips in flags.
Are you gonna have a chicken as well, or shall we have different meals?
Chicken is fine.
We just have a full, and then we're gonna share it with chicken and the masai takon. Is it either or, either veg or chips?
Chips and veg.
Okay, perfect. But please just make sure it was a white chicken, because black chicken is for bad luck.
Yes,
Yeah.
you make sure.
And it must have been a virgin. I don't want chickens that slip around.
Talk to the chef.
Please tell the chef. We are very particular.
All right.
Grape juice, please. Grape tizer. Yes, please. Thank you.
Very grown. The only people I know is something.
Guys, this is our chef who made us all that lovely
chef.
food. The head chef. Yes, the head chef.
Thenjiwe sachi.
Mina?
Okay. Ngibona ama suitcase.
Angiphindele emuva. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. Because you never know.
Ticket uyanginika ntambama.
Oh, phela nakungekho yena singawubamba kanjani umcimbi?
Nako.
Okay, guys, they are saying I brought too much stuff.
Yebo.
And you wanna hear something? As soon as I finish checking in, we are going out to buy me an outfit to wear tonight because I don't have anything to wear.
And unfortunately, that's a true story.
It's a true story. Where are we going? We're going to buy me an outfit.
And it's our kombisa late.
Yeah, and you will see.
What a wow.
Yeah.
But also.
No, this is how Zulu I am. I'm reading Sydney Masina. And mina ngitshela ukuthi le ngenzansi isibongo sakhe. So I'm like Sydney Masina Maindenanci. Let's open the curtains. Oh, beautiful. And there's a welcome package.
Are you fine with two?
Yeah, it's fine.
I think it's a matter of getting them ready because our check-in is at 2:30. This one was ready.
Oh, all right. Too.
Fine, okay. Maybe we'll make friends.
You never know. You just never know. And it's not like it's one bed but single.
Yeah.
This is my room, all to myself. So I'm just gonna go on the streets. But that's Swaziland. The thing is, in Swaziland, you do not have homeless people.
No.
I was just gonna get a homeless person to nigga the spare bed. And this is me. You see? 5-star treatment. You do that? I just couldn't be. I was just telling you. Can you just not be happy for me?
I thought it was a competition for a moment there. So I was
What
about
did
to.
you say? Just be happy for
What's the
me.
5-star treatment? In Ghana,
What did you say?
5-star treatment. So yena ukugijima andi bafuthi yebo sibamba nawe enodroza ha asinikele bangiloboli mina bangilobolanga asinikele so ngicela nami ngangitshela 5 star guys
from the heart.
That's from the heart.
ngite mina
nice.
ngiyanyisa
South African wine.
lalela umfuna kanemona kodwa nje wayena ngitsanzi
Sorry, cat.
ngitsanzi lena
Akusilo lo inatal.
ikumuntu akhanze Thenjiwe nasa le wine yakho kuthengela fika athi Thenjiwe le wine lena ongabuyithenga ngiyithanda
Akayithandi
yena ayisiyakho kodwa ngale sweet red lena asho ayithenga
Umona.
Ngifunje imoto enkulu.
hamba ngenyawo
Ungabe uyihlalele kwakho umuntu usakhuluma naye uthi ngiyabuya ngisa upstairs yikho nje ngingawufuna umuzi omkhulu.
Yeah, umuzo.
Yikho nje ngihlalela ku one bedroom. Ngoba nje lento yokuthi angazokunye soku upstairs, okunye soku other room. Mina ngifuna yonke into yami ibe la. Bangithi breakfast in bed.
Kulo konke noma ngifuna ukugeza ngigeza ngigeza
The benefits of
noma
the
ngihamba
one.
ngidlela
Open plan.
namba it's a nice intimate setup
Niphuma ngabani?
Sihamba khona manje.
njalo sinasiphuma nawo
Masikhathi.
yona sikhathi fast
Cuts of pool.
Ngicela ningimela lo 2 stop alive.
Usikhathini manje?
la
What time
My
is it?
social media team will be here. Exactly 2 we're live.
What time is it manje?
It's 22.
20 to 2.
Yes.
Okay, we'll
Please
come to
don't make
reception. We'll be there
Okay,
too.
please, let's do 2. Just for the small activation and for the last minute buyers.
We're coming.
Alrighty.
This is bad, guys. This is so bad.
Moto iyakhala. Ethi I am not in Cape Town. Why am I like this? This is not zero. Yes, it's not 0 day. Is day 0?
Day 0.
Yeah. Beautiful people.
Yay!
I'm here with my fellow love technicians.
Ah, we're here in Swaziland. What was it like?
I think I need something to stand
Happy
on
Valley.
because these guys are so tall.
But today we don't look tall on this thing. Like you look like very short. Like a very short. This
Yeah.
camera is very.
Long John here. The long one is Long John.
I am Long John, the comedian. Yeah, I'm here.
Comedian of the world.
Yeah.
Long one here.
Piano. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Doing the things, touching and letting go at the same time.
And long shakes.
Long shirt.
We're not related and whatsoever. We're not related. I feel like not dark. We are not dark. Yeah.
Is it dark or are you dark?
Yes, there's the filter now.
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Look at us now.
We are yellow boys
You
here.
guys have
Right
the
now,
same
yeah,
height, you have the same haircuts, you have the same.
No, he's trying to
parents,
copy me.
Like
He's
you
trying
guys.
to, why are you copying me, dude?
No, you're not my
This is
idol.
my brand. This was my brand. And then you just took it from nowhere.
And I love the jeans, guys, because the homeless look is so in.
Or maybe he is homeless. Let's not, that's the thing. You never know these days.
The homeless look is like so in.
Good for
It's so
you.
in, eh?
Yeah.
Ish.
You
Yeah.
never get robbed with this look.
No. New life, old jeans.
New life. That is. Shots fired.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now baba nezinkinga bahlele emafonini.
A businessman. Look at him. It's very
You're gonna
serious.
life is gonna get better. You're a comedian now, Mdura. You're gonna afford a good phone.
And a car wash.
It doesn't end here.
A shower
And you're gonna afford water
to wash the car.
to wash the car. If the car is like this, what about you? Because usually
Oh. Let's not say it.
Swaziland. Petrol is cheaper than water in Swaziland. Yo.
It is actually
Petrol is way cheap.
petrol is cheap.
Yeah, petrol, yo, it's cheap.
In washing petrol.
That's a full tank.
wash motor and petrol.
Yeah, we're just washing the car.
some guy a friend of mine says we are in Botswana, so I'm fueling the car and it's like, oh, petrol is so cheap in Botswana, I must come and live here. But then we had to rudely remind him that, dude, you don't have a car, so you moving here.
Just to decide that.
What's the point? What's the point?
That's why I'm
Just come to
here.
Doesn't
I'm
make
just here
sense.
because it's cheap.
95. Oh, okay. 95 is cheap now. Then you walk.
Exactly.
We
Just
don't
look at the garage.
drink it.
Just look at the garage. Yeah, look, it's cheap.
We
Yeah.
don't put it in our shoes.
It's for cars
It's for cars. Thank you
need to
very
have a
much.
that you own and must drive.
Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.